guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I have for you 3 versions of the January Boxycharm Premium. And just the other day, well, January 3rd, I posted a video of a full box spoiler, and the video looks just like this. And you can check out that video if you like. I go into a little bit more detail about all the products and what I'm calling version A. I go into a little bit more detail. So if you want to take a look at that, you can find it just by looking for this little thumbnail. Here is version A. I'm calling it version A. This one is the one that I uploaded on January 3rd. This is the one that has the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams eyeshadow palette. And it also has the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. That's going to be in all 3 versions I show you today. It also has a full size of the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. And it has the Saint Luxe Beauty Eyeliner Trio. That is 3 pencils in bronze, nude, and black. And then we also have the Laneige Fresh Calming Mousse Moisturizer. And that one is an exclusive to Sephora. It's worth $29. And then there is the $1 Billion Brows and Beauty Bestsellers Kit. And this is one that I've been seeing at TJ Maxx for a few months. And I see it for $8, but apparently it has a value of $42. The $1 Billion Brows Kit is also in all 3 versions that I'm going to be showing to you today. So let's move on to version B. Version B of the premium box will also have 6 items, and it has 3 items that we just saw in version A. It will have the Too Faced Palm Springs palette, and this is a party in a palette. Fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party-ready finishes capture the swank glamour of vintage retro Palm Springs and take you on a mini vacay every time you wear them. And this sells at Too Faced for $45. And the second item of version B is Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. This is an exclusive to Sephora, and it is a 1-ounce bottle with a dropper, and it is worth $54 and has about 4.5 star rating. And it's a hybrid makeup skincare serum that delivers a glassy, long-lasting, radiant skin look in one simple step. And it has hyaluronic acid and something called Aquacel that provides long-lasting hydration. The third product of version B is the $1 Billion Brows Bestseller Kit. This has 4 items in it. It has a twist-up brow pencil that is in a universal shade. And you know what universal means. It doesn't work for a whole lot of us. And then there's a highlight and contour pencil. And then there's an eyeshadow brush. And then there's a clear brow gel. And this has a value of $42. It's currently on sale for $33 at $1 Billion Brows. And if you go to TJ Maxx, you can get it for about $8. Here is something exciting. Item number 4 for this version will have the Natasha Denona Blackest Black Matte Single Eyeshadow. This retails for $29, and it is highly pigmented, has a soft velvety texture providing full, rich, and intense color that won't fade out, and it's ideal for creating the perfect dark, smoky eye effect. It is full coverage and applies effortlessly. The 5th item in this version is the Bliss Pore Patrol Mask. It's a deep detox 4-clay souffle mask, and it has 4 stars at the Bliss website. It retails for $18, and it has powerful clays and deeply cleanses skin and minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry or tight. So it keeps oil in check. It has glycolic acid, which gently exfoliates to make sure pores don't clog up later. And this is best for skin types normal and oily. The sixth and last item of this version is the Tula Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. This has a retail value of $34 and a 4.5 star at the Tula website. It is an effective yet gentle foam cleanser, and it has 2% salicylic acid, which provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. It's alcohol and fragrance free, and it can treat regular or occasional breakouts. It is suitable for oily, combination, mature, dry, or acne prone skin. That is what the website says. As someone with mature skin, I don't believe that I would use this. It might be too harsh for me, but everyone has to make their own decisions on that one. And that is the entire version B box for premium. Now, if you didn't already know, I do have a giveaway going on. It ends on January 9th at midnight EST, so you still have today and tomorrow to enter it. And it is for the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. And I would suggest that you go over to the video and enter it because there's only under 500 comments. So your chance of winning is very good compared to larger influencers with a huger subscription base. So if that sounds good to you, I will leave the link to the giveaway video down below in the description box. And while you're at it, if you're liking the information in this video, I'm trying to make it short and sweet and efficient. And if you appreciate that, please hit the like button and leave a comment and say hello, because it'll definitely help the YouTube algorithm promote my video and will help my channel grow, because I'm around 4,900 subscribers and I'm trying to push up to 5,000 subscribers. Here is version C. This is the first time we are seeing the Too Faced Sugar Peach Eye and Face Palette. This was a choice item if you had the option to get a choice. This is my first premium, and for people who this is their first premium, they didn't get a choice. So this is the Sugar Peach Face and Eye Palette. You can use wet or dry for limitless looks. It has a value of $44 at Too Faced, and it gives you 4 pearlescent powders that deliver one swipe payoff, seamless wear, and it treats your face and eyes to new levels of radiant dimension. You can use wet or dry to create limitless looks, dry for a soft glow, and wet for an intensified, luminous finish. Frankly, I'll be happy with either one. I think these are both really good palettes. Let's move on to the second product. Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. I already described that one, so you know all about it. Here's a photo. And third item, it is the $1 billion brows, and the $1 billion brows has those 4 items in it. And the new item that we're seeing here in this variation is the Skin Fix Resurface and Glycolic Renewing Scrub. It's the first time that I am seeing this one. It was not in previous spoilers, and this is an exclusive to Sephora. It has a value of $30. It has 130 reviews, and the average review is 4.7. People like it. And what this is a double duty body peel and polish to smooth the look of rough, bumpy, and crepey skin, leaving it feeling soft, Okay, that surprises me. That surprises me that this is not for the face. This seems to be a body peel and scrub. And how to use is that you dry rub this creamy non-drip formula onto dry skin from the chin down to the toes, and then turn the water on, massage onto the skin using circular motions, and rinse. You can use this for best results 1 to 3 times a week. If you get it, maybe you want to look it up for the ingredients, but it is definitely a body scrub. Do not use it on your face. Next in this box is the St. Lux Beauty Eyeliner Trio. This has a value of $55. I mentioned this for version A. It has 3 liners in bronze, nude, and black. It's budge proof. It's a gel-based liner, and it is also high pigmentation and waterproof. And personally, I think that I could use a waterproof nude eyeliner. However, these are also wood eyeliners. They would require sharpening, and one would think for a $55 eyeliner trio there might be a sharpener in there, but there is not. It also gives you up to 14 hours of wear. Next up is an exclusive to Sephora. It's also online only. It's a Kat Von D eyeshadow, full size, and the shade is Lolita. This has a $19 value. It has 4.5 stars, and it's an ultra blendable matte eyeshadow. It's the best-selling chestnut rose lipstick shade from Kat Von D's previous collections. And frankly, this is something that YouTubers such as myself cannot use, because when we do use any Kat Von D products on our faces, in Instagram or on YouTube, we get flamed terribly in the comments, and also on the Bash a Beauty Guru boards that are out there on the internet. So I think some people will be happy with this Kat Von D shadow, and I think other people are still in the camp that they do not support Kat Von D. And for YouTubers, we really can't use Kat Von D unless we want to get really mean comments. Weird fact, I know. I just thought I would throw it in there because YouTube can be a strange place sometimes. So here are all 3 versions that we know of for the January premium. Leave in the comments down below which version you are hoping for, and also which choice you made when it came to the choice of the Too Faced palette. I'm definitely interested in hearing about that. And also, do you boycott Kat Von D products, or do you use them, or do you not really care about Kat Von D controversies anymore? Please like this video if you found it helpful. I tried to make it as succinct as possible to not waste anyone's time, and if you like that kind of video and spoilers, then please subscribe. Hit the like button, also the notification bell. And also don't forget that next week we have choice coming up for the premium box as well as the regular box. And we also will have add-ons next week. January is an add-on month. So I will leave those dates right here. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you with the next video. Bye, guys.